Now let's do some hands-on with pattern comparison like operator. In this SQL, I am using pat percentage as the pattern. Let me run it. It brings me rows with first name containing values pat. After that, there is nothing, which is equivalent to 0 characters. The second row containing Patrick, where RICK are matched by this percentage sign, which means 0 or any number of characters. Now let me run this SQL where the like operator uses PA percentage, just to show you the difference between pat percentage versus PA percentage. This brings me a result that contains the string PA at the beginning for the column first name. It brought me 3 rows. I used PA percentage. Now let's see the difference between PA percentage and PA underscore. As we saw earlier, it will bring only rows that contains 3 character string which begin with PA, and we have only one such row, which is pat. Now let's verify if underscore supports 0 characters. If it supports 0 characters, then pat underscore should also bring this value, right? It doesn't bring any value. So we verified that pat underscore is different from PA underscore, and underscore always expects a character in the row to match. Now I have used 3 underscore characters here. So that should bring me a row which begins with PA and then contains 3 more characters for a total of 5 characters for first name. Okay, we got PAVAM. Now we can use the wildcard character in the beginning of the pattern too. Percentage EN will bring me every first name that ends with the letters EN. Now this pattern S percentage N will bring me every first name that begins with S, ends with N. In between it can have any number of any character. So here I'm not using any wild card character at all. So that will be treated as an equal comparison, and it just brings the value pat in the result. Let's take a look at commission percentage column in this query. If you notice, it has lots of null values. Okay, and let's see what happens if we just use a wildcard character in the pattern comparison. As we saw earlier, this is equivalent to is not null, meaning that it should bring every row where the commission percentage is not null. Okay, So it brought every row except for null values. Thank you for watching.